Okay, we're working on the Oliver 1800, and today I got this radiator hose put on. I put both brackets on both sides on for that so we can run the tractor. And it looks like my dad put on the intake manifold right there. I got injector number 6 in. So I have all the injectors in now. Got that hose in. A lot of cleaning to do, but I think what we're going to do in here is we'll scrape off as much as we can. And I'm actually going to use plastic scrapers for that so I don't take the paint off. And then we'll power wash it when we get outside. But a lot of this stuff I'm going to have to just go ahead and do it because once the tank's in, I won't be able to reach this stuff. So there's still a lot of getting dirty to be done. So right now I'm only got about 2 hours a day to work on the tractor. I'll be heading back to town and going to work soon. So yeah, this is John Rudie with Rudie Racing signing off.